Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the U.S. Global JETS ETF. This is ticker JETS. Now, JETS is in an interesting spot here because unlike most of the market, JETS is still in an uptrend and above all the major moving averages. We had a down day, in SPY today. SPY under all the major moving averages. We had the triple Qs down close to this 50-day moving average, but JETS held up in trend and bounced off of its orange line here. That's the 8-day exponential period moving average. So definite relative strength here in JETS. Now we do have some airline earnings coming up, but if those turn out to be good, I think JETS could be ready to take off here if it can get above and close above that $26 level. We can see some tops going across right here with clear resistance in this zone and clear resistance right under today's high. So if it can get above this level and close above this level, I think that could be an actionable trade idea as long as it does it on higher than average volume. Now, what might stop that from happening is the longer term trend. If I delete all of these drawings here and zoom out, we can see that JETS isn't really in a great long-term spot. It's kind of an ugly chart, let's be honest. It hasn't even gotten above its pre-pandemic highs. And I see this clear downward sloping resistance level. It's not perfect, but you get the idea of clear resistance here, here, didn't even get close to it there, and now it's underneath here. So yeah, from a longer term perspective, there's some definite resistance to get above, but bearing that in mind, if it does break and close above 26, I think this could be actionable for a swing trade on that move with a stop potentially right around the 8-day, 21-day, or the 50-day moving average. I think your risk has to be defined by your size, and that's a personal thing. So that's just one of many charts we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, we'd love to have you as part of our tribe. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.